Hey y'all, I am Allie. If you're new, welcome. So today I wanted to give y'all a moving update and kind of just share what our plan is as of today. I'm also going to go around the house and show you some of the things we need to do before we can sell our house, like to get it ready and things like that. We don't have a ton that we need to do, but we are going to do a few things. So I'm going to show you all of that. If you missed the whole thing, we are moving from this house. We've lived here for 2 years. I did a Q&A video. I'll link it for you. And you can go there and I explain why we're moving, where we're moving, all the details over there. So as of today, as of now, as of currently, we are still planning on moving probably beginning of July is what we're thinking. And we're probably going to be moving into a townhouse. There's a couple that we have our eye on, and I'm actually really excited about them. They're very beautiful on the inside. The kitchens are white, and that is like, I've always wanted a white kitchen. I've never had a white kitchen. So I'm very excited to potentially have that. All right, I'm gonna take you around the house right now and show you kind of the areas that we need to work on. Please don't mind the mess. I did not clean beforehand. This is real life, what my house looks like on a typical basis. But let me show you some of those areas that we need to work on. So let's start in the master bedroom. This is our catch-all area. It doesn't really need a ton of work in here. We just really need to deep clean and scrub some things. But that's what this is looking like right now. Wow, it's really bright. We definitely need to declutter in here. There's a lot of just decluttering we need to do. So here's the closet right now. This one's Andrew's closet. So this is the master bathroom. And again, I mean, I will definitely be decluttering all the stuff on the counters. But for the most part, the only like real fixing up we need to do is this towel rack. Oakley pulled it down, and so we need to like fix it. Like it's coming off the wall. So that's the only like repair in here. Everything else just needs to be cleaned really well, like really well. And yeah, some decluttering on the counters. So coming out of the master, I really want to declutter this closet. All this winter stuff honestly can go into storage. We're definitely going to have to get a storage unit because we're downsizing into a townhouse. And so we'll just have stuff probably in the storage unit that we don't, you know, need in the townhouse. So much stuff. We have so much stuff we need to get rid of. All of this can go. This whole container can go. Yeah, there's just so many toys that we're going to have to get rid of. And then into the living room. So I think we're going to leave pretty much the decor as is. It's pretty minimal. I'll just be getting rid of toys, high chair, things like that. But other than that, I think the decor is pretty minimal. We have so much cleaning we need to do. And then, oh, we need to actually get more rocks to put in the fireplace and fix the logs. The rocks the kids have just taken out over 2 years, so we need to replace some of those. These pictures, I'm going to get some fillers so that they don't see people when they come to view the house. They just see beautiful little non-people pictures. I need to, this is not meant to be all here, but I need to just kind of clean up this area and make it very minimal decor-wise. This is our little guest half bath. I'm not going to be changing it much at all. I just will make it very clean and very minimal as far as decor. I can't say that enough. Probably should figure out something for here. Y'all, if you have any ideas, definitely let me know. But keeping everything pretty much as is in here. Just lots of cleaning. And then this is the dining room. Lots of decluttering needs to happen in here. A good deep clean, but again, I think I'm just gonna leave it pretty much as is. Just get rid of all the stuff that doesn't belong. So it'll just be like the table, maybe a little piece of decor on the table. The rug will stay, and that little sign, but everything else has got to go. Into the kitchen. So much cleaning has to happen in here. I'm going to try and keep it as minimal as I can with what's on the counters. So all this needs to get cleared away. This is all of the project stuff we're working on today, light bulbs and things. Yeah, everything just needs to be kind of minimalized. This right here, though, does need to be replaced. We have the piece still, we just need to stick it back on. So there's a lot of little things like that we need to do around here. And we're back into the living room. Now let's go upstairs. So here in Hudson's room, everything will probably stay as is. I'll maybe put that bear up on the wall above the crib, but I think it's pretty good the way it is. I'll decorate that. I have this little table over here that we put his monitor on, but I think we'll put that over here. It looks really cute next to that rocking chair. Here's where it gets interesting and where I have my work cut out for me. Y'all have seen his closet before. It's my Monica closet, one of my many actually. And I have just thrown things in here and shut the door. I need to go through all of this. I need to get rid of stuff, organize it, and then the cool thing is I can, if I can even get out here, I can put some stuff out here. This is a little storage room, so I need to come out here and clean this up too, but I can store a lot of stuff out here. I feel like people don't care as much if they see a storage room with stuff in it as they care more about like seeing their living spaces nice and neat and tidy. So I'll clear so much stuff out of here and put it in the storage room. Now into Oakley's room, I'll just need to clean it up and like deep clean it, but and then put some toys away. But other than that, there's not really a ton in here. Gosh, y'all, I'm showing you the real life stuff, all the messes. So I'll probably leave most of this as is. This closet doesn't have a ton of stuff in it either, but I do need to go through his clothes and get all the clothes that are too small because he has a lot of those, and I'll give them to Hudson. Like this drawer right here is all full of clothes that are too small for him. And then he has a bunch of 2T stuff. So gotta go through that. I'd like to do that before we move. And then in here is the kids' bathroom. I should not be showing you this stuff, but I am. And there's not much we have to do in here. Just a little bit of light decorating because there's really no decor in here. And then other than that, actually, it might just be fine. Just with that there, maybe put something here on this towel rack. I don't know. The other room that is up here is Emmy's room. Which I really can't show you her room. It is that trashed. So maybe I'll clean it today. Maybe I'll get to that and I'll pull the camera back out and show you. But her room needs a lot of decluttering and then a good deep clean. There's so many toys in there, so many clothes that don't need to be in there, and I don't want to take them with us. So her room is a big project, and Hudson's closet is a big project. And then other than that, pretty much all it needs up here is some good cleaning. So this is our basement / playroom, and it is a mess. But this is probably an area that we have quite a bit of work cut out for us. I want to get rid of so many toys. So many toys. We may or may not have a playroom where we end up moving into. And so the kids aren't going to need a ton of them. They've outgrown a lot of them. So this area needs a good deep clean. We will move this chair out of here. Keep the couch probably where it is. Or we might even flip it to face the fireplace. I think that makes it look really cute. And then keep this back here, the playroom, just get rid of so much stuff. And then over here we have this bed that has been set up as a guest bed, but I think what we're gonna do is take it from here and put it through this door, and this has been our office, but we're gonna set it up as a guest bedroom just to show people that there's another whole like bedroom option if they wanted. This is my other Monica closet. Brace y'all's selves if you haven't seen this before. So much junk out here. Most of this, here, let me brighten it up for you. Most of this stuff is going to be going into storage, but a lot of it we're going to get rid of too. There's just way too much junk. So I have so much work to do. And honestly, showing you this video kind of stresses me out a little bit because it just reminds me of all that I need to do. I'm really sad that I didn't get to use this space for the kids. Gosh, it's so dark back there. But this area goes all the way around. This is the staircase right here. And it would have been such a cool little nook for the kids. Through this door is like a utility closet. And it's just full of paint supplies right now. So I'll get rid of those. And that's pretty much all for this room. So in here is a full bath. And it used to be decorated. I'll just have to find where those decorations went. Clean it up in here really good. And this should be good to go. In here is my office. And this is what we're going to set up as a bedroom, as, you know, a guest bedroom or whatever. Just set it up as a bedroom, put the bed in here. Yeah, I'm kind of curious to see how it turns out. This has been my office the last couple years. I have a lot of stuff in there I need to get rid of. How do we have so much stuff? That's what I want to know. This is one of the reasons why we want to downsize, is whenever you have a bigger, larger space, you feel like you can have more stuff and you need to fill all those extra spaces. We still, like, clearly the room I'm in, the office, isn't ever used. It doesn't have a ton of stuff in it, but we still keep things in here because, well, why would we get rid of it if we have a place to put it? But we're going to be downsizing. We're going to be downsizing a lot into a townhouse, and then we'll be moving up a little bit into the house we live in, but it will not be this big. The issue that I'm running into is we're not moving from this house directly into our next house. And so I won't know exactly what spaces we're going to end up with because we're renting in between our two houses. So I know I need to downsize and get rid of things, but I don't want to get rid of too many things because I may need it in the new house. I know I can always buy it again. I can sell it on Facebook Marketplace and buy it again, but it's tricky. It's like a delicate situation. So I don't really know what all we're going to get rid of, but I know a lot of it has to go. I've got a lot of work cut out for me. Minimally stressed right now, seeing all of that needs to be done. You know, when I first went to film this tour, I was like, oh, you know, there's really not that much we need to do. And as I'm showing you room after room, it got a little bit more overwhelming. It's not easy to move. We've never sold a house before, so this is going to be a new experience for us, but I'm excited. It's going to be fun. It's always great learning new things. And I feel like an adult doing it. So anyways, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed seeing our current situation. It was a mess, I know. And then I hope that you will stick around for the whole moving journey. I will be filming it. I will be filming a house tour of our townhouse and then eventually of our new house that we end up moving into. I will be doing moving videos, all kinds of things. I'm very excited and I hope you are too. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those kinds of videos. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. All right. I love y'all and I will see you in the next one. Bye.